Good morning, children. Today I am going to explain the question answers of lesson 2. What is the name of the lesson? Pattern in weather. Okay, patterns in weather. See, children, here third Roman we have 2 questions and 2 more questions in fourth Roman. Okay, what is the first question? Explain the elements of weather. Okay, what are the elements, children? So, in our atmosphere, 3 kind of elements are there. See, first one, temperature. So temperature tells us how hot or cold the air is in a place. As you know, we can measure the temperature, children. It is usually measured in Celsius or Fahrenheit. As sometimes we may get sick and we may get fever. So that time whenever go to hospital, the doctor will keep a thermometer. You know, that is measures in a Fahrenheit. So 98 above means like feverish. So you will be get a fever. That is temperature. So temperature we can measure, children. So that is about temperature. And what is this? Humidity. Humidity is the amount of water vapor in the air. Okay, sometimes so much of humidity will be there in our surroundings. Okay, water vapor. So droplets will be there in our atmosphere. That time we may feel sweaty. Okay, we may get more sweat, children, and uneasy feeling we may get if the humidity there in our surroundings means. Okay, water droplets more in the air. It is measured in percentage. Okay, it's measured in percentage. Whenever you see the weather report in your mobile phones or computer, every time humidity it will shows and temperature also it will shows. Okay, 39 degrees temperature, like 25 humidity, 25% of humidity, like that we will see that. Just observe, children. And what is this? Precipitation. Okay, water vapor in the air turns into liquid and it falls down as a rain. Okay, so after of this temperature or humidity, we should learn about this precipitation. So precipitation means, so water vapor turns into a liquid. It either would be a snow or a rain. Okay, it falls on the earth. Rain and snow are different forms of precipitation. You know, like polar region, cold regions, they may get snowfall and we may get rainfall. So two kinds of precipitation here. 2 types are there. First is rainfall and second one is snowfall. Yes. Very rarely we will get snowfall, children, but most of the countries have this rainfall. This is about precipitation. So tell me, what are the elements of weather, children? Temperature, humidity, precipitation. Okay, these 3 are the elements of nature. And what is the second question? How does the distance from the sea affect the climate of a place? As while explaining lesson, I told you, if the place is very near to the sea, the place may get more temperature and more humidity, because of water vapor will be present more in the surroundings. For example, Kakinada. Okay, Kakinada is a coastal area, right? The place is very near to the sea. So in the Kakinada area, there is a more humidity will be in the air. Okay, in the atmosphere. So then they will get uneasy feeling and they may get more sweat. Okay, that is about humidity. When you are closer to the sea, there is more water vapor in the air, so the weather is humid and it makes one sweat more. So it makes sweat more, children. When you are away to the sea, humidity is less and one does not sweat as much. So we may get that much of sweat, children. We may do not get that much of sweat when we are away from the sea. When we are closer to the sea means it's a very humidity area. We may get more sweat and we may get uneasy feeling. Okay, you should read these 2 questions, children, and practice in your HW notebook without seeing, and read the spellings also properly. Okay, children, prepare for examinations. In the next session, I will explain you the remaining 2 questions also. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.